Okay, and just so you get an idea, if this we're coming out of the master, we'd go into the kitchen part. Um, Another nice fixture in the dining room area. Does have some cracks in the tile. Again, looks more like settling cracks. And then
Is that what the red tape is for? It's
yeah,
telling you where the
issues are. Okay, and then we'll come back over here to the other small bedroom, which is a nice sized bedroom. And it has a walk-in closet.
Oh,
Just a
big ass dead spider.
yeah.
Sorry.
Nice ceiling fan. And
that's a big closet.
just for you guys, a dead spider. And there's the lower side of the one wall here. There is like an air vent, so
ventilation.
Not sure what that is. It
yeah, that might be
does. Well, it backs into the bathroom, the family bathroom. So I think this is it on Norbert. Doesn't look like it needs much.